Okay, so in this video we're going to check out one site that does malware analysis, and you can actually upload your suspected malware and run it in a little VM. Now PC Security channel mentioned this, pretty cool YouTuber this, so I check out his stuff quite a bit. So the site that we're talking about is Triage. So it's completely free. It's obviously you can upgrade it for more features and stuff. I used to use any.run, which is pretty cool. I mean, I like the interface and the look, but you need a business email now, or a very obscure email. I've got a pretty obscure email that actually worked, but now I have to verify it and I can't receive any emails to that email for some reason, so trying to figure that out. So in the meantime, I actually kind of stumbled upon this one, and it works pretty well. So all you have to do is go to quick submit and then browse, and then I wanted to run this WinScript debloater in there. So I'm gonna upload that. So WinScript debloater debloats Windows 10 and 11, you know, uninstalling all the unnecessary stuff, Edge even. But it's got a activator in there that you can activate your Windows, so that is a bit a red flag. I just want to run it and see what it does. So we can submit that and it will submit it. I don't know if there's a size limit. There has to be, obviously. Usually there's a size limit, but yeah, uploading that, and then I'm gonna run it in Windows 11 and see what it does. Right, let's see. So immediately it analyzes it, just the file itself, and tears it apart here and gives it a score. So the higher the number, the worse it is. So if it's 10 out of 10, it's definitely malware. So this one has got a very low score, but let's just go a little bit further still. So there's that. So this is the file tree, what the program consists of, all the DLLs and so on, executables. So if I click on this, oh, you just select it. Okay, it's going to actually scan this, probably more. And on this side you can choose the platform which you want to use, the VM. So I don't know what Windows is. What Windows version is that? Just Windows. It's like automatic. Anyway, I'm just gonna choose Windows 11. You can actually choose Android. That's Debian. Anyway, languages. You want the internet on, and so on. Timeout. Let's just give it 5 minutes. So you get max 15 minutes, which is way better than any run. I think they give you like 2 minutes. Was it 5 minutes max? So yeah, and then the browser that you want to use, and that's pretty much it. And then we can analyze it. So it will actually install it, so run it, and then I think you can take over. You can actually go into the VM and do whatever you want to do as soon as it displays here. So you can actually go full screen, which is pretty cool. So now I can say next. It's a bit slow though, but I mean it's free. How do you go out of full screen? Escape? Oh. Okay, yeah, now I can do it. The mouse is a bit... it feels like I'm not even using it. Okay, let's just not go full screen then. Okay, let's just move a bit slower then. So yeah, finished. And here's your timer. Time remaining 3 minutes. More than enough. Okay. Runs it full screen. Oh, full screen is a bit slow. No, yeah. Wow, it's very slow. Very slow. So this is the thing that I want to run, is this run mass. This is the activator. So we'll just switch that on. As you can see, it debloats privacy, telemetry, all that great stuff. And it does work. I've ran it before. Okay, there it goes now. And then you go to the bottom, run script. And it actually gives you the script here, which it's executing the Win script itself now. Wow, this is so terrible now. It was a bit better earlier. I'm not downloading anything. Anyway, the script, you can check out a script. Let's just run this. Run it. Say no, I don't want to restore point. Let's just quickly run it. Okay, now, so now it runs the activator. WinScript is running each activator. Here it is. And you have to choose to activate Windows. We'll just use the HWID. Press 1. And it's going to try to activate Windows. It says here activate Windows. It's not activated. So that's good at that. VM is not activated. So it's connected. So obviously it connects to the internet. Right. So this installing generic product key. Windows 11 Pro is permanently activate digital license. And that activation message of theirs went away actually. Fucking hilarious. So it does activate your Windows. And there's some other stuff in here that you can do. I just wanted to see what that does. So we'll close that. Close that, and then let me just check quickly. How do you, what's that script name again? Checking activation. Where is it now? To check activation for Windows. What will I do without chat GPT? Where's the command L? slmgr // what memory of a pigeon xpr. Windows Professional Edition. Oh, it's, time is up. But yeah, as you can see, it was activated. So open report. And now it gives it a bad score. I don't know if it's false positives, but I think because it's activated, it gets bad score. But if it's malicious, I don't know. So I can't really read any of this. I mean, I just don't have the expertise to know what everything does. So it says suspicious here. You can open it up. Now, obviously, the WinScript installer is the most suspicious part of it. So it makes a network request PowerShell. Obviously, to activate your Windows, it needs to do these things, activate and access these things. And then all of that. Right, so you can just go through all that detail. And then there's the processes. You can check out the processes. WinScript. Right, let's. And then there's the network. So connecting, making connections through internet. So let's see if we can find something good. Cloudflare. Close this one. Now where is that? Get activated.win. So it's definitely calling this site. Keep alive. So yeah, you can just check for all this stuff. You actually can go to this site even, which I don't really want to do. Is there a way to go to a site inside? Well, I've ran it in virus total quickie. So URL, paste that in, and yeah, it says it's suspicious. So there is something going on there. If you go here, so go through all of this. Anyway, I don't really know what to look for, but even if you don't know, you can already see that it's doing suspicious things. But yeah, you can dig around in here, and this is all free, and it gives you like 15 minutes in the VM to run your files and stuff, which is pretty great. So if we say upgrade, what does it give you? So obviously you can upload bigger files, I suppose. So full control. So just a bunch of stuff, extra stuff. But a free version, not bad at all. I'm quite surprised, and you can resubmit it. I mean, is there a limit? I didn't see any limits. Print to PDF. So yeah, very cool site. Just go here quickly again. So it's just dropping files in here. For more, let's go there quickly. Malware trends. Okay. Oh. No, this is the paid version. So yeah, that is pretty cool. That is, what is here? Machines. What's machines? It's the machines that they are using to run all their VMs or what? I don't know. Horse too. Anyway, that is Triage for you to analyze your scary files. Good.